Samsung's well-known ONEUI software interface debuted in 2018. The corporation wasn't well renowned for its software upgrades before this. If you remember the TouchWiz era, you may have clear memories of a bloated UI crammed with superfluous features combined with the inescapable performance drop as the phones became older. When it comes to software policies, Samsung used to be one of the worst businesses, but today they are even better than Google at offering software support for their products. The next version of the software will be called ONEUI 6. When we initially looked at the software, it seemed to be an incremental improvement rather than the minor changes that had been anticipated. The ONEUI 6 beta based on Android 14 was prematurely published by Samsung's Germany press. The post was quickly removed. Here are 6 things Samsung divulged in the post on the improvements they have made to ONEUI 6 and Android 14. But as you can see, it's the internet, thus I was able to get the archive link. The Quick Settings UI has undergone a complete redesign by Samsung. It now features huge Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles with a 43 grid beneath for additional fast settings. A brightness slider, other display options, and 2 buttons for controlling devices and modes are all located underneath that. The interface is divided into various areas, much like Apple does with iOS and even Oppo's ColorOS. Everything, for instance, that is connected to the display is now in one location. The notification cards have also seen revisions from Samsung. Now that they are separated more, reading alerts is much simpler. Samsung also emphasizes that, in contrast to the existing necessity of 2 swipes to reach the same item, the full quick panel may be easily accessible with a single swipe from the top right corner. Samsung also points out that you can now set background photos for the right circumstances, such as a picture of a peaceful forest while the smartphone is in sleep mode. A new camera widget in ONEUI 6 will also enable users to predefine the storage location for certain photographs. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.